We're here today to celebrate 20 years of NIC MAP data. I was there at the beginning. It's hard to imagine NIC MAP at 20 years old and the impact it's had on the industry. So the problem we were trying to solve was that the senior housing and care industry was not viewed as an investable asset class for institutional investors.
We were consciously, continually looking at multifamily and the hospitality or hotel sectors. We were very conscious of the fact that we wanted, just as those two sectors, multifamily and hotel, at one time had not been core, had been niche, and now they had become core. We looked at what they had done and we said, we can and we must do the same thing. And that's what we set out to do in creating NIC MAP.
There was a core group of NIC staff and industry leaders who believed this initiative was vital to the future of the industry. Their passion to overcome obstacles and develop NIC MAP was contagious.
Ultimately, it was necessary to establish senior housing as an investable asset class among commercial real estate investors, and the creation of the NIC MAP time series database was a critical step in achieving that goal.
20 years of data helps us tremendously understand the current supply-demand imbalance. So the ability to look back and know, number one, when we've brought forth the most new units onto the market ever, and assessing how much we need to exceed that in the years ahead provides a significant call to action. Seeing the 20 years of data reminds us of the bigger picture trends.
The ability to evaluate primary market area of investments has been greatly enhanced by NIC MAP. Truthfully, before NIC MAP, there was a lot of educated guessing.
Without question, NIC MAP has played a key role in increasing the flow of institutional capital into the sector and reducing the cost of that capital.
NIC MAP's transparency led to greater investor confidence and an influx of capital into the sector, supported by a clearer understanding of market fundamentals.
The maturity of the senior housing sector as an investable asset class has been greatly enhanced by NIC MAP as an underwriting tool.
Leading NIC MAP at a moment when its data is more relevant than ever is both an incredible privilege, but also a significant responsibility. The industry needs to meet a burgeoning demand for the number of senior housing units, and our data is really central to the ability to deliver that. The industry has an incredible challenge in front of it. We have to build more senior housing units than we've ever built in the history of the industry, and we need to do it on a rapid timescale. And NIC MAP will be a central piece of that. Our data will provide the insights and the guidance for the industry's stakeholders to meet that challenge. We've added a wide array of new data, rate intelligence, financial benchmarking, new metros. We've added a wide array of analytical tools, new benchmarking tools, artificial intelligence applications to underwrite the platform, and we've made the data more broadly accessible.
I'm very proud that I got to play a small role in helping to create an authentic and an objective record of supply and demand market fundamentals and performance measurements for the senior housing industry.
If I could summarize in one sentence the impact of NIC MAP over the last 20 years, it has transformed investing in senior housing and care.
Congratulations, NIC MAP, on 20 years. So much to look back on and be proud of. We're celebrating 20 years of the industry coming of age. Coming of age in terms of being an asset class that was investable by institutional investors with transparency, with a track record, and therefore with accountability to investors that they can see. So that's quite something to celebrate.